Good career boys, just your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So today we're going to talk about networking and how essential it is in order for you to elevate your career and move to the next job position. Because let's face it, over 80% of the jobs that are out there are fulfilled through networking. So you need to perfect that. And I know it's hard, especially when you're juggling a full-time job, life, maybe even kids, family, and just spending time with yourself and relaxing. So it's hard to fit in that time in order to network professionally. Well, what if I told you it's a way we could spend just 5 minutes a day in order to network effectively online? So, and I get it. I'm a career professional. I've helped hundreds of people elevate their careers and land job opportunities. So I'm here to help you do the same. So let's work on a three-step formula in order to perfect our networking ability and concise it down to 5 minutes to where you can actually invest that time and network effectively. The first thing I wanted you to do is I want you to join LinkedIn groups that are tied to your industry. So for an example, if you're in finance industry, then I want you to join LinkedIn groups that are all about financing. It's a ton of groups. If you need assistance on that, just type into ChatGPT. Please assist in finding me groups that are in the finance industry on LinkedIn for LinkedIn professionals. Then it will give you a list of the top services and the top groups that you can join in order for you to find other career professionals that are in your industry that can help you. Because one, what they're going to do is they post daily job opportunities that may not be on the other job boards that you can directly DM somebody and apply to. And maybe they're even the hiring manager and you can even get a job opportunity just off of utilizing LinkedIn. So the second thing I want you to do is I want you to go and reply to at least 3 posts on LinkedIn that are related into your job industry. I know it may seem a little difficult, but it's very simple. I just want you to go in and reply to at least 3 of the posts that are related to your job industry. I don't want you to put anything just too generic, like I agree with this or I like that concept. I want you to give a little bit more context when you're replying to them, like, oh, this is a great idea. I actually need to figure out how we can implement that at my company itself. That is putting yourself out there. And so people can even reach back out to you and say, awesome, if you need any assistance on that, let me know. That opens the door for you to be able to DM that person directly and maybe even get an opportunity to network. And you may be able to use them as a reference in the future if you need to move to a different company or a different field. And the last thing I want you all to do is I want you to make sure that you're posting articles on your own LinkedIn page daily. If you can't do it daily, commit to at least every other day in order to post articles that are relevant to your industry on LinkedIn. This is going to help you engage people that are also relevant into your industry and engage into your posting. Because like I said, it's all about networking because over 80% of the jobs that are filled out there are through networking, not through you actually blindly applying online. So you need to increase your network game in order for you to increase your network. If you need any more career tips and tricks, click the link down in the description. Remember, my website launched as of last week. So all of my services right now are coming with a 50% discount with the coupon code Legacy50. So if you're ready to transform your career in 2025 and not let it fly by you without elevating your career salary, then you need to click the link down in the description. I have services as low as $10 that you can take advantage. So there is no excuse for you not to take advantage this year and elevate your career or your salary or your financing. If you need anything else, career warriors, please let me know. Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com.